In this video, I will show you how to smoothly scroll to a specific part of a web page using the Python library Selenium in Google Chrome. I'll start by bringing in WebDriver from Selenium and assigning it the driver variable. Executing this will open a new Google Chrome window on a blank page. Now let's navigate to a long test page so we can see the scroll happen. There is a large playground page you can go to on herokuapp.com that is perfect for this demo. On this page, there's a footer at the very bottom with the ID page footer. I'll open up the DevTools and show you where we can find the ID. Let me increase the size so we can see this better. Now we can see this better, and when we hover over the element with the ID page footer, we can see on the document the portion of the page this element represents. I'll capture that element in a variable and then perform a smooth scroll that centers it on the screen. Here is the code that lets me collect that element. You can see I perform this action by using the driver's findElement method to locate an item on the page by its ID and stating its ID is page footer. I store this element in a variable called target. Next, you access the execute script method of the driver object, which allows you to pass the scroll into view function to the first arguments of the method. It's here you can specify that you want a smooth behavior. The second argument of the execute script function is where you want to scroll, which we identify as target. I'll execute this and watch what the page does. There you go. You can see that the page scrolled smoothly to a specific spot on the page. So, all you need to do is find where you want the page to scroll to, then use the driver's execute script method, passing it scroll into view, and specifying it should be a smooth behavior. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.